Yes, the company had sent this ride blower, air blower, and we appreciate them sending it to us. It does come with two batteries, very easy to install. These batteries, they sent us 2 amp-hour batteries, the lithium. You just click in place. It also comes with a charger for these, and I'll show you right away how these work. So as you can see, you have plenty of power. One thing that I will mention is be sure, and when you start putting these on, these are covered in plastic. Be sure to take that plastic off. I ran into a problem when I first started doing it. There was plastic inside this top one, and it wouldn't let the air come out. So make sure you get all the plastic out. Other than that, this is a great blower. If you want one, go down and get you one.